Hi Cancer, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for December 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use some oracle decks that I have here. Cancer, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Cancer. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December 2021, we have the Two of Pentacles. It's quite likely that in this time you were juggling money and energy. Possibly, this period was also something of a mixed bag for you. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you're quite intuitive. You should have followed your instinct and come to the conclusions. Maybe technical issues had also kept you busy. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that December is going to pose for you is the Empress card. Possibly, you need to be quite nurturing this month. I think there is a possibility that there could be new acquaintances. So you need to be careful whom you trust or whom you open doors to. Maybe there are also going to be those estranged people who would want to re-enter your life. I think there could be some tension on the home front as well. Additionally, also there could be work offers, maybe for something that you have never attempted, but then unless and until you take that leap of faith, how can you move forward? Influences for this month, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Some gains are quite likely, but you should be careful because there could be females who could be trying to usurp your position. Maybe there's also going to be backstabbing and rivalry which you need to watch out for. I think you should assert yourself rather than let people take you for granted. Possibly some of you could also be a bit affected because your health could be a concern here. Even if you make gains, I think you may realize in hindsight that these are all short-term gains. Maybe you're going to look at the bigger picture over time and realize you have had to pay a price. The first 10 days of December, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Certainly, you are going to be somebody who's quite creative. I think you will be busy with your hands. You see this lady here, she's busy stitching, or you could be dealing with paperwork. Your technical matters could also keep you busy. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should bide your time. You should be patient. Besides, I think you should hone your skills as well. Maybe collaboration or cooperation with others will benefit you greatly. Nevertheless, I think you're going to be singled out for your creative skills or for your contribution. Maybe many of you also working towards decluttering your living space this December. You want to get rid of old things. Besides, we are stepping into the new year. So maybe that is why you want to leave the past behind. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Ten of Swords. Possibly, this person seems to be overburdened. Maybe there are people who are gossiping behind your back. We did outline earlier in this reading that you need to be careful because somebody could betray you or let you down. I think there are times when you may feel helpless. You may feel stressed out. Maybe you think that your family is also encountering a lot of problems. Besides, excess work would also leave you exhausted, so you should be mindful of that. Besides, excess work would also leave you exhausted. I think you should ask for help. Incidentally, Cancerians, while working, you may find yourself being blamed by decisions made by your superior. Other than that, I'm also picking up that even if you make gains in this time, you may feel that they are quite inadequate. For some of you, this month is also the time when legal issues could leave you quite irked. Maybe you feel that your lawyer or the legal is prolonging your case. The final days of December, we have the Ace of Cups. I think the focus here is on your relationships, whether it's your personal relationship or your professional relationship. You should also hold your tongue rather than give away vital information. Sometimes a slip of a tongue can cost us dearly. Basically, this is a time to mend bridges rather than let ego come in the way. Your schedules could also be disrupted, so you need to have a very flexible approach. Maybe there could be cancellations of your planned work, so this could leave you a bit perturbed. I think because of this energy, you may feel as though there's excess work, but then Because of your tendency to rush, it could mean that there could be errors. While dealing with clients also, you should compromise a bit. You should lower the price of your services. Financial transactions will definitely keep you busy. With respect to your love life, I have this card which says here, I want to be authentic, I'm no longer afraid. Possibly Cancerians, you're dealing with someone who isn't authentic, somebody who is hiding his feelings. I think there are admirers this month. Somebody is also offering this cup of love for you. There could be a beginning of a romance for many of you. You should not string anyone along. Possibly, you could be in situations where you're going to ask assistance from others, especially from the opposite sex. So you should be careful because somebody could have other thoughts. Many of you are also picking up that you're yearning for your person. Maybe that is why we have the Ten of Swords here. This person may not be attentive to your needs. Maybe this person is bogged down on account of work, so you are going to miss your frequent conversations. I think some of you also want to talk about this romance publicly. Maybe your person is also going to do the same. He is no longer afraid of being behind closed doors. Incidentally, Cancerians, I'm also picking up that there could be prophetic dreams with respect to your love life. Maybe you're also dealing with an ex-flame who is going to reach out to you because he feels that this is the time to take that chance rather than to hide behind a wall. Married Cancerians, I think you need to be polite with your in-laws. Maybe you're also dealing with your spouse who is unwell this month. I think there could also be those days when you feel that you're being blamed for no rhyme or reason. That is why you want to set the record straight. You want to talk about these issues. Basically, Cancerians, love is not about expecting the other person to conform. Rather, there should be a balance or a give and take relationship. Or compromise is the key here. We also have this card, Solitude, which is a message from the universe. Sometimes, you may feel that you need to distance yourself from others. You may find happiness in being all by yourself. This solitude is definitely essential if you want to keep your wits about you. It's the time to contemplate or look back at the past. We also have this card, Throat Chakra, which says you should speak your truth. Like I said, you need to be authentic, or your person needs to be authentic this month. The throat chakra is the Vishuddha chakra, or the fifth chakra in our body. Possibly, you will benefit if you use turquoise or aquamarine or lapis lazuli for the throat chakra to be cleansed. Basically, this card is asking you to admit to your true feelings as well as any revelations that you've had. Though you do desire solitude, though you do desire peace of mind, I think there are times when you need to speak up, but then there are those times when you need to withdraw yourself from certain situations. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.